Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas and react to them. So here we have this beautiful mullet hair transformation. As you guys know, the mullet is officially back and we're seeing many different variations for this particular hairstyle. Such a chic rocker inspired look. I love it. So if you are feeling inspired by any of these hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have a beautiful Pixie haircut. And if you guys do want to follow any of these hairdressers, their handles are listed throughout the video if you want to see more from them. Wow, I love how this pixie cut has blonde mixed in with the black. So they are rocking the contrasting hair color trend. Very cool. Next up, we have an all black pixie haircut. Beautiful side swept bangs with that one. Gorgeous feathered style. And then we see this beautiful bob haircut transformation. She looks absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we have more of the Bixie hair trend, and she is wearing the beautiful burgundy hair coloring. Then we have another beautiful bob haircut transformation. And then we see another Bixie haircut style. And the Bixie haircut is a nice mixture of a bob and a pixie cut, perfect for growing out a pixie. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.